Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at the internal second solution of IRPS Institute Data Science subject. Now, question number 1. Apply steps of KDD to obtain applicable IPS or BNS section of the following complaint. In this question, we have to give algorithms to useful algorithm for getting to obtain applicable IPC or BNS sections. Now the answer is steps of knowledge discovery in database includes involves the knowledge discovery in database or from database includes extracting useful information from larger data sets. Now steps of KDD or knowledge discovery in database. First step is to select the exact relevant data. The object, for example, the complaint was theft of my mobile phone by an unknown person at MG Road, 2023, February 20. Now, the thief was wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. Focus on the key features such as crime type, location, and description. Now, step 2, pre-processing. Clean and pre-process the textual data for analysis. In this step, we are cleaning the text data and remove in process of text cleaning or pre-processing. We remove stop words like or, it, was, and convert all the complaint matrices to lowercase. For example, after tokenization and all the cleaning process, for example, the input was theft of my mobile phone, the output will be theft mobile phone. Stemming and laminization, reducing word to their root form. For example, from stolen to steal. Third, transformation. The objective of transformation is to convert the text data into numerical value or structured format for analysis techniques. For example, assigning the word stolen to 01. We can use methods like TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency, or the bag of words represent text vector of word occurrences. On the transformation stage, it extracts specific entities such as MG road, location, and date. For step mining data or data mining, the objective is to identify appropriate IPC or BNS section. The main step of data mining is to find patterns. We can use text classification analysis using neo-Bayes or support vector system or logistic regression. Deep learning models like by deep learning models or transformers. Use pre-trained models like BERT for advanced text classification. Rule-based matching. Map keywords like theft, mobile, IPC sections. For example, 378 is of theft. Fifth, evaluation. Objective. Assess the accuracy of the relevant results. For example, use matrices like precision, F1 score, accuracy to evaluate the model. Example, precision high if theft complaints are classified correctly. Recall ensures that all theft complaints are retrieved. Interpretation, map the classified complaint to IPC BNS section and the mapped section extracted keywords were theft mobile phone. The mapped IPC section was 378 theft. Explanation: the IPC section 378 defines that theft is taking someone's mobile property by dishonesty. Now let's come to question number 2. Explain the decision tree process of data science and its various appropriate approaches to construct a decision tree from database. How this structure and algorithms can be explained effectively. Classify the complaint into appropriate IPC or BNS sections. Now, what is a decision tree? A decision tree is a supervised machine learning algorithm used for classification and regression tasks. It represents decisions and their possible outcomes in the form of structure. It means we can visualize the data. Now, root node represents the entire data set or decision point. Internal nodes represents uh, condition to split the data. Yes, or for example, yes and no. Leaf nodes represents the outcome. Steps to construct a decision tree. Select the root node, identify the highest importance, for example, crime type. Second, split the database. Splitting the database into into smaller subsets using Gini index entropy or using entropy. Third, repeat for subnodes. Apply the splitting process recursively to create child nodes until all points are classified. Approaches to build a decision tree. Now you can use iterative dichotomizer 3, which is an algorithm, splits the nodes based on information gain. If a crime type provides highest information gain, it will be selected as root node. Card classification regression trees uses Green index to determine splits. Works for both classification and regression tasks. We primarily use card and chi-square automation based test using statistics like chi-square test to determine splits. Random forest trees combines multiple decision trees and takes their mean for better accuracy and robustness. Decision tree in text classification. For classifying complaints into IPC or BNS section, we have to extract features. Extract meaningful attributes from the natural language processing. Target variable IPC or BNS section example. Keywords crime type date location and target variable three target variable IPC BNS section example 378 for theft section 420 fraud data pre-processed complaint into theft of mobile phone theft mobile and phone. We can classify each of these nodules in sets. Now question number 3, what matrices are appropriate for assessing the performance of algorithm used in text mining? Give details of the matrices that evaluate the effectiveness and accuracy of text mining techniques. Now for accessing text mining algorithms are often used for tasks such as classification, clustering, sentiment analysis, and information retrieval. The effectiveness and the accuracy of these can be accessed using the following matrices. First, accuracy. Definition. Measure the proportion of correctly classified instances out of total instances. Usage in text mining. Evaluates how well a classifier correctly predicts like topics like sentiment or IPC or BNS sections. Precision. Measures how many of the predicted positive instances are actually correct. It means we are classifying between false negative, false positive, true positive, and true negative. Has uses in text mining. Recall measures how many of the actual positive instances are correctly predicted. It is used in text mining. Important cases like crime report classification where missing critical complaints false negative could be costly. F1 score. The weighted average of precision and recall that balances the trade-off between two. a key metric when the dataset is imbalanced. We know that in real life all the datasets are imbalanced. To balance that, we use F1 score. Thank you. That's it all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand the solution of internal test second. These are the only the approaches. The algorithm can be much broader and wider. Understanding the correct algorithms is crucial for solving these papers.